Here is our latest tutorial for you today. We are going to make this cute little Christmas present. I hope you will like this tutorial. If you do, please leave a like. This will really help the channel. If you are new to this channel and would like to watch more tutorials like this, please subscribe. In addition, if you are unfamiliar with Blender or 3D, please have a look at my courses which are carefully planned to teach beginners in a slow-paced, step-by-step manner in the quickest and most effective way possible. If you are interested, please check the link in the description below. Now let's begin the tutorial. Select the cube and copy that. Shift D, copy, scale it to Z axis as Z. Go to front view and bring it to top. Press tab for the edit mode, 3 for the face mode, Alt Z and select the bottom face. Press X and delete that. Now press tab for the object mode, Alt Z to come out of the X-ray mode. Now scale this big, and now this is lid of the box. Go to modifier properties and apply the solidify. Increase the thickness. Now add the subdivision surface. Subdivision, move to first. Add the edge loops, Ctrl R. Make the level 2, right click and shade smooth. Now unhide the box, add the subdivision surface to that also. Now hide the lid, make the level 2. Press tab and now add the edge loops. Right click and shade smooth. Unhide the lid. Now apply the solidify. It looks perfect. Now select the box. Press tab for the edit mode. Add the edge loop, Ctrl R. Now Ctrl B and bevel it. We'll copy that, Shift D and we'll separate that. Press P and selection. This is the ribbon for the box. Press tab for the object mode. Now select this ribbon and scale it. Now add the solidify. Increase the width to 0.03. Right click, shade smooth. Press tab for the edit mode. Press 1 for the vertex mode. Alt Z for the X-ray mode and select the bottom vertices. Scale it to X-axis as X and now bring it up. Now select the top vertices and scale it little big. It goes inside here, so S and Y. Scale it to X axis, S and X. So now this is fine. Need to add the edge loops here, R. Apply the solidify. Select this and copy that, Shift D, RZ90. Bring it little top. Now we will make the bow. For that, Shift A, mesh and cube. Scale it small. Bring it to top. Go to front view. Scale it to Z axis as Z. Now SY. Now press tab. For the edit mode, press 3 for the face mode and select these two faces. Press X and delete those. Now add the solidify. Increase the width. I think this is fine. Even thickness. Thickness is not even. So select the box, Ctrl A and scale. Now reduce the thickness. This is fine, and apply the solidify. Now subdivision surface, make it 2, press tab. Now press 1 for the vertex mode. Select this vertices and scale it small. And now shift S and cursor to selected. Press tab for the object mode. Right click, set origin and origin to 3D cursor. Now let's move this. Rotate it. Scale it little bit SY and make it little broad. Shade smooth. I think need to increase the level 3. Now we'll add the mirror modifier. Select the box. Bring this together. It is fine. Now apply the mirror. Select this bow, copy that, Shift D and RZ45. Again copy that, Shift D, RZ45. Again copy this, Shift D, RZ45. So now this is fine. Now let's make some decorative elements in the bow. Shift A, mesh and UV sphere. Scale it small. Bring it to top. Press tab for the edit mode. Alt Z for the X-ray mode and select the bottom faces and extrude it to Z axis, E and Z. Scale it small. Now shift S and cursor to selected. Press tab for the object mode. Right click, set origin and origin to 3D cursor. Alt Z to come out of the X-ray mode. Bring this one top. Scale it little small, it's quite big. Now shift D and rotate it. Shift D and rotate it. Now select all and Ctrl J to join. Hide this. Now select this ribbon also and join them. Ctrl J. Press tab for the edit mode, X-ray mode and bring it little down. Unhide the decoration. Scale it little small. Adjust little bit. Right click and shade smooth. Now let's set the camera. Click on the camera icon, press N, view, camera to view and adjust the gift box. This is fine. Uncheck the camera to view. Press N again. Now shift A, mesh and plane. Scale it big. Bring it down. Adjust it. Now shift A, mesh and plane. Scale it small. Make it rectangle, scale it to SY. Rotate this one. Now Shift A and text. Go to top view. Press tab and write down Merry Christmas. Now we'll change the font. Go to properties and click on the font. Click on the and select whatever font you want and select the font. Open font. Scale it small. Rotate it and adjust it on the plane. Make it center. Scale it small. Add the solidify and increase the depth. Adjust it. Now select both and adjust on the gift. This is fine. Now let's give material. Select the gift, go to material tab, give the name box, go to base color and select the brown color. Press Z and material preview. This is fine. Now select this both ribbon and Ctrl J to join them. One more material, name the ribbon, give the color green, assign it, we'll make it little darker, select the bow and give the ribbon green color. We'll reduce the roughness to 0.4 for the box also. 0.3. Now select decoration elements, red, roughness make it 0.2 and we'll add one more color, yellow. Select the random one. Make the roughness 0.2. Now select the background. We'll make the background green color. Now select the ornaments. Select the text and we'll give the color red. Now press Z and set on the render. Now let's set the light. Shift A, lights and area light. Bring it to top. Scale it big. Increase the power 200. Shift D. R by 90. Scale it to Y. Make it little yellowish. Shift D and now rotate this. Select this one and select the alternate faces. Give the green color. Now go to render settings. Select the cycles. GPU compute. Max samples, make it 512. Check the denoise and the render also. Color management and look, make it medium to high contrast. And now let's render. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit like if you found this tutorial helpful. It will really help the channel. If you are new to this channel and would like to see more videos like this in the future, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.